Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Ring account credentials and granting the app camera and location permissions. This unlocks device setup options. Once done, connect your phone to the strongest Wi-Fi available and make sure the Ring device is plugged in and flashing. Tap Add Device, pick the camera type, and follow the in-app steps to scan the QR code or enter the setup code. This gets the device into pairing mode so the next steps can proceed smoothly. You'll pair the Ring using Bluetooth handshakes. Allow the app to find the camera and accept the pairing prompt. Then choose your home Wi-Fi network and carefully enter the password. Typos are the most common blocker, and tap Connect. Once the device uploads settings, watch for a solid LED or green check in the app. This confirms a stable link. If the connection takes longer than a few minutes, move the router nearer and restart the steps. You finish by naming the camera, configuring motion zones so you only get useful alerts, and setting privacy zones to block sensitive areas. This reduces false alarms. Make sure notifications and video quality match your data plan, then test live view and a motion alert. If something goes wrong, reboot the Ring and your router, confirm Wi-Fi credentials, and try setup again. If issues persist, temporarily disable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.